So now moving on to the conclusion. In this research paper, we gave a brief introduction of Tor and its applications. Tor is used for good and bad both purposes. It has a major application in the dark web. Then we explained the working principle of Tor and the components involved in establishing a Tor network. Some of the Tor hidden services were explained, which enable the service to provide their service without disclosing their identity, which is the IP address. However, it can be concluded that using Tor does not guarantee 100% anonymity, as methods for knowing the source are evolving and strengthening. So various methods of breaking anonymity are given in this research paper. Replay attack manipulates the data cell to break anonymity. Traffic analysis tracks the entry and exit node. In circuit fingerprinting, the attacker can recognize the presence of hidden service activities on either the client or server end and can also identify the circuits used in these communications. Although none of these attacks have been able to decrypt the data, however, they have presented ways to identify Tor traffic without decryption. At the end, we configured two middle relay nodes and recorded our results. In future, work can be done on trying to decrypt the nodes in order to identify source and destination. Moreover, it will also help in knowing the type of data which could be illegal or illegitimate present in the packet. Some precautions that could be taken for keeping one's identity safe are: so you must never connect to any VM or server again once you're connected to a Tor browser. Then your hidden services must be moved regularly. Don't use Windows. Tor browser bundles must also not be used. If you're not able to set up Linux on your workstations, then it is recommended to use Tails or Unix. Also, you must firewall all your outgoing access so that third-party applications cannot leak your information. Then make sure that any kind of persistent storage that you are using must be encrypted. You must keep your system up to date. Disable JavaScript, Flash, and Java. Don't use Google as a search engine. Consider using Startpage as an alternative. Then you could uh, then you could use an add-on such as self-destructing cookies to keep your cookie count minimum. So that was it.